Welcome back to Soundcheck on MC22 from Classic Rock Coffee Company. Brett Johnson here with Jody Guy, Cottengim, drummer for Tripwire. Your shirt says established 1999. Has it really been that long?
It has been that long. It doesn't feel like it, but it sure has.
Where did the blues come from, and how did you guys get going?
My dad, Jimmy Guy Cottengim, he was a blues fan his whole life, and so we kind of grew up in it, and you know, listening to Tony Joe White and Ry Cooder and J.J. Cale and just some of the older greats, and I think we was just kind of born into it, really.
Yeah, and you had there's a lot of musical heritage there in the Cottengims.
There is. I mean, my dad, I don't know, but he probably had 2 real jobs in his life. I think Steak and Shake as a kid, and he tried Zenith, you know, as a young adult. And I don't remember none of that, though. He always played music, and we always, you know, were brought up and raised on the income of an actual musician. So there is a lot of heritage. And you know, when people ask what kind of music do I play, I said I've always played everything, and I can play anything from death metal to polka, but I always fall in that pocket of, you know, rhythm and groove and blues.
Yeah, and that's just where it feels natural.
It feels the best, yes. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Find that pocket and lay in it.
Yeah, which is kind of ironic given your length. You're pretty tall,
I
long
get a hard
dude to
time
drum.
all the time about sitting too low and you know, ducking the head all the time when I walk through doors, but realistically, it's just the normal height. You know, we're sitting up on bar stools today, but just in a regular setting. And I also tell them too, it feels like I'm either on a motorcycle or I'm sitting in a chair for dinner. I'm actually sitting regular, but at 6'9", it does look like a giraffe behind a drum set sometimes, you know.
Yeah, your reach is all over the place.
Yeah, I got reach. If you need to change light bulbs, I can help you with that too.
Yeah, now 6'9", I mean, does that mean basketball was in your childhood as well?
Oh yeah, basketball, volleyball, all the tall guy sports, you know, and I still do. I have a passion for ball, I really do.
Yeah, the next song we're going to hear is Boombox Quality, but then following later on, we've got Down and Out and Easy Come, Easy Go. Where do they come from, and your songwriting approach as a drummer? Where do the songs come from for you?
Down and Out's just a box shuffle that they call box shuffle, and it's just a song about being down and out, you know, whether you've lost your old lady or you're feeling bad or your car broke down, just kind of being down and out, standing on the corner down and out. Easy come, easy go, kind of the same concept, you know, things come, things go. Don't let it get on your nerves, just keep on swimming, you know, just keep on going. So those 2 songs actually are Cottengim songs, they are originals, and golly, they might be 20 years old actually, but it's just new stuff that we pulled out of the vault, we call it, and because there's a lot of songs that we really haven't even introduced to the public, even after 17 years.
Back to the stage and hear Down and Out. Tripwire, thanks for joining us on Soundcheck from Classic Rock Coffee Company in Springfield, Missouri. I'm your host, Brett Johnston. Remember, listen local.